Welcome back to Auto Express Review, your home for thrilling rides, legendary machines, and the boldest bikes, redefining what it means to ride. Today we bring you an exclusive review of a machine that is not just new, it's revolutionary. This is the 2025 Harley-Davidson Model R, a name you haven't heard before, but one you'll never forget. The Model R isn't just another cruiser or a classic throwback. It's something bold, fresh, and totally out of Harley-Davidson's comfort zone. Designed to compete in the naked sport bike and performance roadster segment, the Model R is Harley's answer to bikes like the Yamaha MT-09, Triumph Street Triple, and Ducati Monster. Harley has stepped into a new battlefield, targeting young urban riders who want speed, sharp handling, and modern aesthetics, without losing that deep, throaty American roar. The Model R marks a turning point, embracing performance without abandoning Harley's soul. From the first look, the 2025 Model R screams rebellion. Forget the chrome-heavy cruisers of the past. This bike is minimalistic yet muscular. You get a compact, sharp-edged fuel tank, high tail section, low handlebars, and a naked front that exposes its power. LED lighting all around, including a distinctive V-shaped headlamp, gives the bike a futuristic identity. Even the paint options are tuned for adrenaline: racing orange, stealth gray, and matte obsidian. Harley's badging is subtle but proud. This is a new Harley for a new generation. You won't find massive fenders or retro trim here. Everything is built for function, speed, and urban attitude. The Model R is powered by Harley's Revolution Max 975T engine. This liquid-cooled V-twin punches out an aggressive 121 horsepower and 95 Newton-meters of torque, delivering insane pull through the mid-range. Whether you're launching from traffic lights or leaning into high-speed sweepers, the throttle response is immediate and thrilling. The 6-speed transmission is tight, and the slipper clutch prevents rear-wheel hop on downshifts. A lightweight chassis and responsive throttle mapping make it feel alive under you, eager to rip through any street or canyon. What's remarkable is how Harley has maintained its signature engine character while giving you superbike-like performance in a new format. Harley nailed the chassis geometry on the Model R. The trellis steel frame is lightweight yet strong, giving the bike sharp agility and rigid control. At just 215 kilograms wet, it's one of the lightest Harleys ever, and it feels nimble in every corner. Suspension is top tier for its class: 43mm Showa inverted front forks, and a monoshock rear with preload and rebound adjustability. Whether you're lane splitting in traffic or leaning into a sharp, twisty road, the bike stays composed, confident, and planted. Brembo twin-disc front brakes provide serious stopping power, while the rear brake adds steady control. The Model R is sporty but stable, designed to thrill without intimidating. The 2025 Model R is one of the most technologically advanced Harleys ever, and that's saying something. You get a full-color 4-inch TFT display, ride-by-wire throttle, and 4 rider modes: road, sport, rain, and custom. Each one alters throttle response, ABS, traction control, and engine braking. The custom mode lets you fine-tune everything from power delivery to safety settings. Also standard: cornering ABS, lean-sensitive traction control, drag torque slip control, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation and call integration. All of this is smoothly integrated into a minimal UI that doesn't distract from your ride. This is a smart bike with zero compromises on control. This isn't just a weekend warrior. The upright seating position, moderate seat height, and balanced ergonomics make the Model R surprisingly comfortable. The single-piece seat is sculpted for short sprints and long hauls alike. With fuel efficiency of 1921 kilometers per liter, and Harley offering luggage accessories and wind deflectors, the Model R can easily be your daily ride, weekend escape machine, and everything in between. It's ideal for the modern rider who wants one bike to rule all roads. Priced at just $13,999, the Model R is Harley's most value-packed performance bike. It undercuts its European rivals, offers more tech than many Japanese bikes, and comes with Harley's legendary after-sales support. Dealerships will begin taking bookings in August 2025, and the first batch will hit showrooms by November. Word is, initial pre-orders are already filling fast, especially for the Racing Orange Launch Edition. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Model R is a statement. It's Harley telling the world that performance, modern styling, and innovation don't mean letting go of your identity. They've built a bike that speaks to younger riders without abandoning the fire that made Harley legendary. If you're looking for a machine that rides hard, looks fierce, sounds amazing, and feels like no other, the Model R is calling your name. This is the future of American motorcycling. Raw, refined, and ready. A late most qualitario